the giveaway is not for the next. Sorry, there's an airplane and I don't feel like talk over it. Well, yeah, okay. This video is about the giveaway that I'm going to be doing for the next 2 weeks. And about my plug collection, but before I get to the plug collection, I'm going to talk about the giveaway. Out of the giveaway, there will be 2 winners, and they'll be mentioned in the next video. The giveaway ends on September the 4th, and the rules to the giveaway is that you just have to be a subscriber of me. If you're not, then I would subscribe now if you want. Comment on this video the size of your ears, and like it if you want. Yeah. So yeah, this is how you're gonna get the plugs that you want. You comment the size of your ears and the color that you want your plugs to be. They'll be made by the 4th, and then I'll ship them out. It's best for the participants to be a resident in the U.S. because if they're not, then it's gonna be kind of a problem. So yeah, yeah, pretty much, and the size that'll stop at is 3/4. If your ears are bigger than 3/4, then you can still participate if you want, if you want to plug somebody else, but yeah. Okay, so let's get to the plug collection. Most of the plugs that are made are mine, except for 3, and those are Black Tapers and the 2 Batman plugs. So yeah, I made all of these except for 1, 2, and 3. They're all made with porcelain glass. Most of them are polished, and some of them, like this one is fruits. It's blueberries. This one's a leaf. This one's a flower, kind of floral. And then I have these button ones and these pink ones. And these that look like marble. So yeah. They're all in size order. They go from 0 to 3/4 because, yeah. I have up here in my ear right now, but I'll show you guys maybe later. My favorite are these 2, the floral ones, because, I don't know, they're really, really nice, and I really like them. I took time on them, too. Yeah. I will be giving some of them away once I hit, like, the next size, because I don't think that I'll need them. And, yeah. So, I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like if you want to participate in the giveaway. The giveaway will end on the 4th of September, and the 2 winners will be mentioned in the next video. So yeah, you comment below the size of your ears and the color that you want your plugs to be. And if you just like it or comment your size, then I'm assuming you don't care what color or how you want the plug to look. So yeah, I will mention the 2 winners in the next video, and for those of you that did not stay long enough to hear the rest of the instructions or whatever it is, I'll leave it in the description box as well. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!